How to screencast the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone here with Android 11 or Android 12. And of course, this is a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop. And let's go ahead and get started. So before doing anything with your phone, I need you to go into your Windows 11 settings here and type in the words projection settings. This right here, you'll see this right there, projection settings, and go ahead and click on it when you see it, okay? Now, once you are here in this section here, there is a couple of things that you might want to do before doing the screencast from your phone here. Check here first, make sure this says launch the wireless display app here. And if it doesn't say that, it might say something about installing a wireless display adapter. If it does say that, click on it, a window is going to open up here. And in that window itself, you'll type in the words wireless display adapter, look for it, check the box, run it, let it install, and then come back to this very exact settings here. And then you should see this right here, launch the wireless display app projection this time around, okay? Now you also wanna go ahead and change these to the first one being available everywhere. The second one is gonna be every time a connection is requested. The third one for the pin would be never. Then right down here to the bottom section here, you'll see there's a switch here. Be sure to turn this on so that your laptop or computer desktop will be visible to nearby wireless display devices. Now with all that set up and ready to go on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone here, you want to go into the quick panel access and look for the toggle that's called screencast, okay? So just look for it here and you'll see it called cast right here or sometimes screencast here. And it's going to long press it when you see it. It's going to take you to this here. If it's your first time using it, you may be prompted to enable location or give it permission access to location. Go ahead and do that. Then turn this on here. And it's also going to ask you to turn on your Wi-Fi if you haven't done so yet, okay? Now to do the screencast, you don't necessarily need Wi-Fi to connect the phone and your laptop, but having it on your phone, of course, so you can search and stream internet, whatnot, okay? So go ahead and turn it on here, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices when it does that, okay? If it doesn't pick up your desktop or your laptop, usually when it does, a prompt is going to appear to the bottom right. If that doesn't happen, go ahead and cancel this here. And now here, you're going to go ahead and launch the wireless display app from your computer itself. So click on that one time. This blue background here is going to show up and it's now searching for wireless display devices. And while it's doing that, back on your Redmi Note 11 phone here, just turn on your screencast. It's going to start searching and notice now your computer name is going to show up. Okay, so when you see it, tap on it one time. It's going to run the connection process for you. It'll show you the name of your Xiaomi phone here, and then it's going to show you that it's connected and ready to go. So just a few more things here. If you're on the internet on your phone and you're browsing and you want your thing to go into landscape mode, make sure the lock screen here, not this one, sorry, my bad, not the lock screen, the orientation of the auto rotate here, make sure it's set to lock orientation, make sure it's not locked, okay? So that when you go into the landscape mode here on your Redmi Note 11 phone, you'll be able to have it shown both on your phone and on your screen of your computer, both of them being in the landscape mode, okay? So just to give you an idea of how all that works. And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial. If you got it to this point here, congrats. If not, restart your phone and your computer, and the second time should help you this time around, okay? So like and sub, thanks for watching.